Alright guys, so it's been about 4 weeks since we finished filming the 40's on Falcon video, and everybody's wondering what's going to be happening to it next. Well, today we find out where the thing's going to rest, because we're going to be heading down to a senior college which run an automotive class, and we're going to be donating it to them so the students can learn all about pulling the engine out and the mechanics and all that kind of stuff.
Sam from Built Not Bought.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to Seven Oaks Senior College. So pretty much what happened is I got a message from a fan on Instagram. Turns out it was a student who went to the college. Now he messaged me and said, hey dude, what are you doing with that Falcon? And turns out that the college there actually runs it's an automotive class. So it teaches the students about how to work on cars, pretty much mechanics, getting them ready to jump into the field of anything automotive really. So auto electrician, mechanical. So we got in touch with this teacher, and what we're going to do is pretty much donate this Falcon to the college. Now they can use it, and they're going to educate the kids by pulling the engine out, doing bits and pieces on it. I know it's a heap of shit, but it's ideal for something like that because it's easy for the kids to work on, and they should learn a lot. So really excited today. We're going to head down to the college, meet up with the teacher and maybe some of the students, and yeah, hand it over to the guys and make the donation. I'm super happy that this thing's gonna live on now. I was worried that it's just gonna end up at the wreckers and get crushed, but I'm glad that it's gonna go towards something that I'm quite passionate about, which is teaching and educating guys about DIY stuff, working on cars. So it should be really good.
It was great to see all the boys chipping in to give us a hand get the thing off the trailer when we got there. A lot of them had actually watched the episode and seen what had happened to this Falcon, so it was pretty awesome for them to, you know, be in ownership of it now, you could say, and be able to swing on the spanners around it. So we got it off the trailer, parked it in its new home, and then we got a bit of a tour of this awesome facility.
Alright, so I'm down here with Tim. Nice to meet you. So we've obviously dropped off the very famous Falcon, but they do more than just pull cars apart here, so it's a really good facility.
We deliver 2 certificate courses. One is an engineering pathways course and one is an automotive.
Yep.
So it basically prepares the kids for industry.
Yeah.
We take at risk and we take kids that are struggling, and we take kids that aren't struggling so much, and we give them really good skills.
Give them the skills, yeah.
We have good lecturers here. I'm a tradesman. Our auto guys, he's not a tradesman, but he's right into automotive.
Yeah.
He's been building cars and designing and building for years. We also do other stuff like this. So we don't do stuff that's not real. So this is a job for one of our employers. Outdoor seating area for his workers. The C container out there is a plastic recycling centre that we're building. We're cutting it up, putting doors and windows in, making the machines.
Yeah.
And then we do the year 12s. If you want it this way.
These guys, blur that
Blur that out. And this is a typical year 12 project.
Oh,
they make
from
chopper, alloy wheel, recycled exhaust system, recycled bike parts.
Yeah, I definitely remember making stuff like this when I was a kid. Eh?
Yeah.
Do you remember as well as that? And we had the little ice cream container flapper on there to make it sound like blub, 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 blub.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So this is engaging kind of stuff,
is,
which gets them interested, and plus teaches them a heap of good skills. There's everything in this, machining, welding.
So the age of the students are after high school?
Year 11 and 12. No, this is
still
high
within,
school.
Okay.
Yeah, anywhere from 15 through to about
So
18.
the standard schooling still happens here, or is it? Yeah, okay.
Look at that. Oops. Made out of, that's an older project, so that'll be Holden red motor probably. Or
all on
like
gears
that.
And stuff, so it's bits and pieces of cars.
Out the way, so this one first prize at Canning Show. Yeah. This one here, and the little guy didn't even want to take it home. He said, "Oh no, keep it here. You can have it."
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, crazy. Awesome. Yeah, these things with suspension.
They had an awesome amount of equipment here, from guillotines and benders, oxys, plasma cutters.
It's all hot works in
It's
here.
one of our 12s, yeah. And that side of the room, right the way around to the middle, is all arc and TIG machines.
Okay.
And then from the middle through to here is all MIG. And that's the guts of it.
Yeah.
You know, we do cutting, and we got all sorts of things going on.
Yeah. No, nice.
Anything you'll find in industry, we've got here pretty much.
You're saying earlier that the guys like to come in and work on other people's cars, so I think I'm in the market for an airbox soon, so they reckon they got the facility to even do some stainless welding and TIG and stuff like that, so we might be back and get the boys to have a play on the patrol for a day or two and knock something up. But yeah,
we
I didn't know you
got
did
the
so
means
much
to do
here.
it. Yeah, we can do it. We've done lots of projects for outside people.
Yeah.
We like to do things for our employers because they take our kids for experience.
Yeah,
So, you know, when they say, oh, any chance you could make me this, we go, yep, no problem. Well, we got the guy that builds Cobras, you know, the kit car Cobras.
Yeah.
He came in and cut up some sheet metal, got some stainless and made some stuff.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, well.
That's what it's about. This was a grant we got from the government. When I forget who was in power at the time, somebody said every school should have a trade training centre, and they offered up all these grants, and we applied and got, between us and Gosnells High School and Cannington Community College next door and Yulbrook College in Maddington, they all pulled their application with a view to it being built here, and that's what happened.
Yeah,
so,
nice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, pretty good. Our admin's really good. If we say we need something because it's a safety issue, straight away it's done. You know, there's no, you know.
So how many hours a week would the kids get to spend in here? Obviously, with their school
They'll
hours,
do,
is it?
My medals kids, my Cert 2 medals will do 8 hours a week in here
that's
at
good.
different stages.
Yeah. Oh, awesome. Yeah, well, thanks for showing us around. Is there? I might have a
Yeah, go down and have a look in Auto, because Auto's got some pretty cool stuff.
Yeah.
So
So we're Tyler, one of the students here, and he actually got in contact with me to get the Falcon down here, so thanks to him. And this is the automotive section, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the automotive. I'll click onto the front.
It's light. Yeah, so in the automotive section.
At the moment, this term, we're doing the bookwork for the just normal motors.
Yeah,
like
so you're
general car
stripping
motors.
down.
And we're stripping these and rebuilding them this term. And then there's another group doing the Cummins motors.
Oh, it looks brand new, man.
Yeah, they are. But yeah, we just strip these. There'll be a group stripping these and a group stripping all the...
Yeah. So it gives you like the diesel side of things and then the petrol side of things.
There's a couple of diesels over top.
Yeah.
There's one or two, but...
Yeah. And you got a hoist or a couple of hoists? 3 hoists?
Everywhere I looked, I could see another bit of gear that's been designed for the education in mind. A lot of half-cut motors, half-cut diffs, bits and pieces for people to learn how they work.
Yeah, we get a bunch of impounded bikes in too, like...
Yeah, I was going to ask
cars.
like where all the cars, and obviously I've just donated the Falcon, but like other people, is it just old wrecks and that?
Yeah, so Andrew brings his own cars in half the time. We just fix them for him.
That's
And
the teacher.
We get all the impounded bikes, like we got impounded dirt bikes the other day. There's some of the motors for them up there.
Yeah.
And just take them apart.
Yeah. Where do they end up once you've sort of done what you're doing with it?
The frame, usually we'd cut it up. So, because
still get salvaged.
Kids try to steal it, whatever.
Yeah.
So, yeah, pretty much just take what, like running gear off it or whatever.
Yeah.
Chuck the frame away.
Yeah. Ah, cool. Cheers for showing us around, eh? You got so much good stuff here, eh? I wish I had this shit when I was like in school.
Yeah, see.
It's just... Me and the boys here should have a look at the patrol. We might go show them, eh? Let's have a look. Oh, she's filthy. So what's going to happen to that Falcon, you reckon? What's he going to make you do with it?
We're going to strip it.
Strip it,
And sell it.
convert it, just part it out, make some cash.
Yeah, he'll probably part it out, make some cash.
Oh, there we have it. Couldn't be happier for the Falcon to end up at a place like this. I got a message from one of the boys a few days later. They had already got the thing running, and then a week after that the motor was already out, so they don't muck around there.
Alright guys, there we have it. We've dropped off the Falcon. It's laid to rest down at the automotive school there. It's really awesome to see what the guys did there down educating the kids, so I wish I had something like that when I was in school. Anyway guys, make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. So I've just been ripping around in this thing, you know, on the flat, but there's a jump over there. I'm gonna jump that, but first you gotta hit subscribe.